Can you hear?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I invented C classes and later C++ at Bell Labs in 1979.
In the early days of C++, it really delivered the promise of making programming more pleasurable for the professional programmer.
I just needed a language, so I decided to build one.
And then along comes this firebrand named Alex Stepanov.
The reception of STL was quite enthusiastic.
I immediately thought, this is huge. This is going to carry C++ into the next millennium.
A lot of this talk of C++ is dying a slow death.
It was not just stagnation that happened, it was decline.
Remember when we shipped C++98 and then we went quiet for 5 years?
C++11 was one big major release that made C++ into a modern language.
C++ was always a fairly complex language.
When you have more than 300 experts, everybody very, very smart, you're bound to have conflict.
I think that C++ could choose to break some things.
This is something that's completely revolutionary.
There will always be a need for a language like C++.
One thing I always wish, of course, that we could go back and do it all over again.